Christmas came early for me this year, and Santa brought me some Tannerite. Unfortunately, Santa was my MasterCard, but that's besides the point. Anyways, we found ourselves a washing machine, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun.
Okay.
Oh! Watch out! Watch out!
Hey, what I say?
Holy crap, baby!
What the heck?
Yeah, baby! Merca!
Guys, I no longer have to be.
So, here's the aftermath. This is some pieces we've already collected. Here's the ground. It's a good way of mowing your lawn. Just totally destroyed everything. God, our people. We care about Mother Nature, you know? There's a big piece way the fetch over there. And Denny took off that way over in the trees over there to go find them. Got some good pieces.